Hi students, welcome to our mathematics class. In this class I am going to explain about divisions of decimals. How to solve the divisions of decimals. Here there are three types of divisions are given. This is one type, this is one type, this is another type. See here what is the difference? See here dividend 3 decimals, divisor 1 decimal. Here dividend 3 decimals, divisor, there are more decimals. How many? 4 decimals. Dividend 3 decimals. In this third type, dividend 3 decimals, divisor also 3 decimals. Here three types, these are called 3 types of decimals. See when you take first type dividend are more decimals than divisor. Number of decimals in dividend 3 are there, in number of decimals divisor 1 is there. Here what is that? Observe here, number of decimals in dividend is more than number of decimals in a divisor. Here more 3 decimals are there, here 1 decimal there, more decimals are there in a dividend. This is one type. So what to do when you are doing division? First to take dividend and divide with divisor. Now when you are dividing this, forget about decimals. You forget about decimals and divide. As you know, divide. Forget about decimals and divide. Here given, division is given. After completion of division, you will get answer. You will get a question. That is called answer. In that question, you have to place the decimals. Why? In question, given question, decimals are there no in the question. So now when you are doing division, don't consider the decimals. Forget about decimals and do the division. Without decimals, you do the division. Dividend divide with divisor. Without decimals, you get answer. Quotient you get. Now how many decimals you have to place? Look at here. Count the number of decimals in dividend. There are 3 decimals in dividend. Count number of decimals in divisor. 1 decimal there. Now find the difference of decimals for dividend and divisor. 3 minus 1. Dividend there are 3 decimals. Divisor only 1 decimal there. Number of decimals in divisor 1. Number of decimals in dividend 3. Now find the number of decimals of difference of decimals to dividend and divisor. Now find the difference of number of decimals. You will get 3 minus 1, 2. So based on this difference, you take decimals in the answer. Answer means quotient. Quotient is what? Quotient is 2356 quotient. In this, how to put the decimals? Look at here. How many difference? Difference is 2. So when difference is 2, take number of decimals in the answer equal to number of decimals in the difference. Two difference is 2 no, difference of decimals 2 no. So that is why you take 2 decimals in the answer. If the difference is 1 no, you take 1 decimal. If the difference is 2, take 2 decimals. If difference is 3, so depends on this difference of decimals to dividend and divisor. You take how many decimals are there in the difference, those many decimals you have to take in the answer. So here 2 difference is 2. So 2 decimals you have to take from right to count, from right to right onwards count, and put the decimal for 2 decimals. Take 2 decimals in the answer from right to left. This is one method. Here first method is dividend decimals are more than divisor decimals. Now second method. In case divisor decimals are, number of decimals in divisor are more than dividend. Here in dividend 3 decimals are there. In divisor 4 decimals are there. So here in divisor number of decimals are more than the dividend. So when you are dividing, forget about decimals and divide. So take this dividend and divide with your divisor. Forget about decimals, don't take decimals. Forget about decimals and divide. Just now take normal numbers and divide without decimals and divide, you will get answer. Division is given here, you clearly observe this and practice. Division is given, you will get answer. So this is called quotient. In this quotient, you should not take decimals. You should not take decimals. When decimals in the divisor is more than the dividend, don't take decimals here. What to do? Take zeros beside the answer. Beside this answer right side, take zeros, excess zeros. Don't put the decimals here in this answer. Why? Divisor decimals are more. This is another second method. Divisor decimals are more than dividend decimals. Then don't take decimals in the answer. You take zeros, excess zeros beside the answer. Take excess zeros beside the answer. How many zeros you have to take? That find the difference of dividend and divisor. Divisor decimals 4, dividend decimals 3, difference is 1. Difference is 1. So you take 1. What is the difference in the decimals? Difference is 1. So you take 1 0 beside the answer. If the difference is 2, for what divisor decimals and dividend decimals difference is, here 4 there, here 3 there. Difference of decimals is 1. So number of decimals, you don't take these decimals. Number of decimals, count number of decimals. 4, 3. 4 minus 3, 1. So difference is 1. So you should take 1 0 beside this answer. Beside the quotient, take 1 0. Don't put the decimal in second type. Put the 0 at the end. This how many zeros you have to take? That is equal to number of decimals in the difference. Difference is 1, no? So 1 decimal. If difference is 2, 2 zeros. 2 zeros. Difference is 1, 1 0. Difference is 2, 2 zeros, like that. According to, as per the difference decimals in the difference, you take zeros beside the answer. Don't put the decimal in this. Be careful. Don't put the decimal. Here divisor decimals are more than dividend decimals, then your decimals will not come. Only zeros will come beside the answer. Okay. So beside the quotient, put the zeros, excess zeros, equal number of decimals in the difference. So how many zeros you have to take? How many equal? What is the difference here? Difference is 1 or 1 0. Difference is 2, 2 zeros. Like that you have to take zeros, excess zeros beside the answer. This is second type. Now third type. In case equal number of decimals there in dividend and divisor. Equal number of decimals there in dividend and divisor. Now just this is normal. What to do? Take dividend and divide with the divisor. Whenever you are doing division, forget about decimals. Every time you do like that only. Forget about decimals and do. Take out decimals and just take numbers and do. You will get answer. In this answer, decimals will not come, zeros will not come beside the answer. Beside the answer, zeros will not come, and inside the answer, decimals will not come. Why? Here equal number of decimals there in dividend divisor. Then only this is the answer. This is only final answer. You don't put the decimals, and also don't take zeros beside the answer. Like first one, don't put the decimal. Like second type, don't take zeros. Here nothing will change. Only this is the final answer. No change. Why? Because equal number of decimals there in dividend and divisor. This is third type. When equal number of decimals there in divisor and dividend and divisor, no decimals, no zeros. This is the third type. Once again repeating, number of decimals dividend more than divisor, put the decimals. Equal number of decimals in the difference, put the decimals in the answer. That is how many decimals? That is equal to equal number of decimals in the difference. Now here, in case divisor decimals are more than dividend, then don't put the decimals, put the zeros beside the answer. Put the zeros beside the quotient. How many zeros? Equal number of decimals in the difference. Equal number of decimals in the difference. How many difference there? One difference means If the difference is 1, 1 0. Difference is 2, 2 0. Like that. Equal number of decimals. Equal number of decimals in the difference. Then here take zeros. Those many number of zeros you take beside the answer. Take zeros. Don't put the decimals. Difference length. How many decimals there in the difference? So the equal number of zeros you take beside the answer here in second type. Third type, no decimals, no zeros. This is only what we get, that is only final answer, because equal number of decimals in dividend and divisor. When equal number of decimals in both dividend and divisor, no change in the answer. This is only final answer. What we get question, that is only final answer. Don't put the decimals, don't put the zeros. What you get answer, that is only final answer. These are the three types of decimals. Gents, once go through these and practice and see, try these steps also, then you can understand. You can write and learn how to do. Thank you.